Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, it's dark and I'm outside and it's very cold, but I just wanted to show you that we have our Bengals decorations already out, and we have all of our fall seasonal stuff out. You guys had said you wanted to see what my fall decorations look like because I already did my house tour. I'll link the house tour down below, and let's go check out my fall decorations. I'm filming this intro clip in the dark much later, so in a minute it's gonna go back to being daylight, just FYI. Okay, so let's get started. I apologize. My husband is downstairs with my child, so nobody can film it, so I have to film it. So hello, I'm not actually in the picture, but I am here. We start with this on the back of our door because we didn't know where else to put it, and it's cute, so that's there. All this is still the same. I guess I could zoom out so you can see a little bit more. I'm just gonna go through these really quickly because, you know, it's not really that much different than it was before. Picnic table that's a permanent fixture. So I love this area. This is one of my favorites. We did kind of randomly throw this together this year. This is not really anything. It's just kind of pieced together. But I still like everything that's on there. It's super, super cute. This is old. This is from like an estate sale or something. So I don't know. It's a real book in there. But anyway, yeah, super cute. What else? So I'll show you my favorite thing. My favorite thing is this, and my mom made these. So my mom is super duper crafty. Well, she was before her surgery anyway. She hasn't actually made too many things since then. But anyway, she painted these mason jars. I remember helping her, actually. I did help paint these. Oh man, there's an alarm going off. Okay, 2 hours later, I'm back to filming again because my child needed me to play with him. Anyway, so fall themed things. Yes, this was really, really cool. We got like letters from Hobby Lobby and just like glued them on there. And we found all these random things. So yeah, I found this idea on Pinterest and my mom was able to recreate it, which was awesome. We also have, let's see, just little, you know, fall things sitting around. We just don't know where to put anything. Like, it's not really organized. It's just like stick a fall themed thing on a table and that's pretty much it, you know? All right, so also as you come in, this is the landing up here. These pieces are actually really big because they have to be, because this is like a huge area, obviously, up there. You can just sort of see it's way up at the top. The trees are new this year. Got those at Hobby Lobby. Love them so much. Love them staggered. I think that's like, my husband came up with this whole thing up here. This is, I guess, my favorite part really of the entire living room. Love it so much. Love the sign. Love having something actually hanging on the wall up there. Love having the, you know, some kind of lights of some kind. Every year we have to buy new hay to put right there, but I love it. So love that. And then the other side is not really very fall themed. We just kind of put some random stuff up there. We do have the fall themed basket. My mom did make that. She makes me a seasonal, I have 4 baskets basically for each season. So that's our fall basket. And yeah, that is the landing there. So it's just kind of, that's kind of what it looks like right now. We also have this on the wall, which I do really love. It might be a little small there, but I like it. Okay, and then the last thing I think really in this room is, well, okay, there's Ella. We did have an owl pillow. We used to have it like right here, but it broke and it cannot be fixed. It's been sewn back together and it's just, it's really messed up. Anyway, so we have these little fall pillows. They're also kind of falling apart. So maybe next year I'll get new ones. Just a little fall throw, but I don't really like it. And I want to get a new one for next year, but it's there. And finally, I love this. This lights up. I don't know why I didn't turn it on. No, that's much better. Now it's actually turned on. And then this was new this year. We just thought it was really pretty. It doesn't even match that, but love that. Love the piano area. My favorite little spot there in the living room. The last area upstairs is just gonna be the landing. We actually don't really change this out too much seasonally, but this year we decided to actually put seasonal stuff. And I apologize if you hear my child's right down here watching bowling on TV, real bowling, and then we're gonna go bowling later. So this is like our little wedding wall, which eventually may turn into being my lounge flies, and then we may put the wedding stuff on this side. I'm not really sure, we'll see. But right now we have, you know, this random stuff. We have this, we have this. Oh, this lights up too. Why am I not prepared? I should have turned all these lights on for you all. I'm so sorry. There we go. We just left this random hourglass. I don't know, it's just very random. We have this thing, which I think my mom made this too. I want to say that she bought this and stuck these things inside there and glued them in. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure she made that one too. Let's see. Some of these I've had for years, so it's hard to remember. This was previously upstairs. Oops, that almost fell over. This was upstairs on the little table when you first walk in, but we just had to put it somewhere for now. And then I love this pumpkin. I think this is so cool. And then we just put this kind of on there, although I'm pretty sure the battery in there is dead. So there's our little landing. Okay, time for the kitchen stuff. Ignore the little bit of a mess in here because like my child has been, he was painting. He actually is really into painting. So look, he painted this little ghost yesterday, so that's so cute. Anyway, we have, you know, this little pumpkin like container thing. We don't put anything in there. I don't know why. totally should. We have these that my mother-in-law gave us, and like this, you know, came with the set, and we have these little things that I just think are super duper cute. So there's that. Oh, my Loungefly, very Halloween-y. There you go. I still need to do a Loungefly tour because I have like so many now, but this one is glow in the dark, so that's pretty cool. There's this random stuff over here. So I just bought this new candle yesterday, just randomly from Walmart, called Pumpkin Spice, and had to light that this morning because it sounded so good, even though I have this other candle right here that I should be using. So there we go. Love this. My mom made this too. I think she made it from scratch. Like, I think she bought a basket and then like put all this stuff in there. She's so creative, isn't she? Like, that is so amazing. Like, she bought this little sign. I'm pretty sure this is the one that she made from scratch. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'll have to ask her, but I'm pretty sure she did make that one. Let's see what's over this way. The fall things here that don't match. We bought that one at Disney World when we bought all these matching Disney things, and then that's just a random one. And then we have some random Halloween ones and that kind of stuff. This area, I don't know. This area needs some work right here, but this fall, nothing in it, because the other one over here actually has all the stuff. This has got the, you know, leaves on it, and we have little fall decor. And then I love this little light up pumpkin that we bought last season. Yeah, I think we bought this one last season. What else? Okay, besides the dirty dishes, just ignore all that. I think there's just this sign is the only other thing. We've had this for years. This was definitely a Hobby Lobby sign, and I'm kind of ready for something different, so maybe next year get something new there. Moving on to my bedroom. So got a few little fall decorations here on the dresser. My mom kind of made this. Well, she didn't really make it. She bought it and then like spruced it up a little bit. She like painted these on there and glued this on there. I think she glued these buttons on and painted these because she wanted it to kind of match with the bow, and it was supposed to match the stuff that we had outside. So that kind of matched my little fall sign. Ignore the pile of clothes over there on the floor. This cute little pumpkin. It's adorable. I don't know where. I think I got that at Hobby Lobby this year. That's a new one. Ooh, my medal for winning a race. I probably showed that in the last video, but I'm just so excited about it. And just a couple other little fall decorations in here, which is this little thing. My mom made these. She made me some Christmas ones too. And then we 3D printed this thingy. So that's awesome. Love the 3D printer for the win. It's really hard to get this to stand up though. It's really flat. So, and then there's just another one over there on that side. So not too much in the bedroom, but I don't have time to change out everything very seasonally. My bathroom has very minimal decorations. I did put this right here, this cute little sign, and then I do a different, I do a seasonal, well, there's a wintry one, a fall one, and then just a generic one that I do for the shower curtain. This is not a decoration, but I mean, not a fall thing, but I did buy this at Spirit Halloween. So that kind of counts, I suppose, as a Halloween decoration. It's just kind of in our extra bedroom, which I can't show you because the bedroom's a mess, but love this. Don't know why it's a Halloween decoration at Spirit Halloween, because it should be all year round, and it's going to be right here. So that when people are walking down this little hallway, they will just see this right away. Ooh, here's what it looks like at nighttime, by the way. I just wanted to show you because I thought that was really pretty. I'm filming this hours later, and just the ambiance in here is just really nice with the lights down low and like the lights all lit up. I love it. Okay, we're making our way down the stairs where we have our scary movie posters. I think I mentioned in one of my videos before, we do our scary movie posters over here. I'm gonna leave the lights down low because I think maybe it looks a little bit better. We've got Scary Movie, Nightmare Before Christmas, Candyman, Ernest Scared Stupid, The Addams Family, and Casper. Oh yeah, okay, ignore my Lord of the Rings pants I have on. And then here is just a few of our little Halloween decorations in here. Yeah, so Haunted Mansion. If you know, you know. There's the Haunted Mansion things right there. We changed those out. Actually, this first year we've ever tried putting them there, and it kind of worked. We usually have Disney pictures there. And then we have our little just Mickey Halloween throw. It's a lot of Mickey stuff down here, as you're going to see in a second. We have our little lights right there, little Mickey pumpkin head lights. The sword has made a reappearance in the video again, except this time it's more kind of Halloween colors. We have our little Mickey candy bag here, because it's cute. We bought a lot of Mickey things that matched that one year. We 3D printed this. Is this not crazy? This came out of a 3D printer. Ghouls just want to have fun. Like, I love it. We also 3D printed Anubis, this Anubis head. Because why wouldn't you want an Anubis head sitting on your speaker in your family room? I just liked the style of it, the kind of, I don't know, pixelated look or whatever. And then so this, okay, I'll sit on the couch here. Oh, this is nice. I'll just sit here a minute. Ignore Candyland. My child has just now got into playing board games and the water bottles, because that's when he does his bottle flipping. But, oh, and also the cake box over there in the corner, because we bought a cake. But here's just kind of our Mickey stuff. This is pretty much it. I think there's like one other thing to show you down here, but we kind of just this year started changing these out with our Mickey and Minnie and our little Haunted Mansion light. I think we even got that at Spirit Halloween one year. Then our Mickey candy bowl. And then over here we have like the giant vampire Mickey just lording over us, it looks like. Oh, this was 3D printed too, which is super cool, but it does not match at all. But we just sort of stuck it there. But there's our Mickey. We have our Halloween sign. Oh yeah, this lights up. Totally just don't have it lit up. This counts down the days till Halloween. You see how often we change that. 39. I love this thing. This is one of my favorite things we've bought from Disney World. Definitely it's like 10 days till Halloween or something. 12, whatever it is. This lights up, and that's going to be what he carries his candy in for trick or treat. Oh, we 3D printed this pirate mug. Now I'm just showing you stuff we 3D printed. Can't drink out of it. It's not food safe until we do something with it. But Haunted Mansion playing cards, which is kind of cool. This Mickey candle. This random candy sign. Oh, this is new this year. It's a snow globe that has like bats and leaves and stuff in it. So much smaller than I anticipated. I thought it was going to be a big snow globe because I thought, ooh, the price is not bad. Well, that's why the price wasn't bad. Lastly, I have to show you something in the bathroom. Before I do, I will show you some other 3D printed things. We also made this, because why not? It's an ocarina to go with the Zelda stuff. And we made this Donkey Kong barrel. Because why not? And it looks really, really good. You had to print this separately and like attach it on there, which was cool. Okay, finally we're back in the downstairs bathroom, and I just had to show you this. This 3D printed, and it's specifically designed for Bath and Body Works soaps, because they're like crooked, you know, they're like parallelograms or whatever. Is that the name for that? Oh wow, there's something sharp under there. We found a cuter one since then that actually has like black on the eyes and the mouth, so I think we're gonna reprint them for next year. But yeah, we can print my mother-in-law one, so just super cute. Cost like, you know, I don't know, 50 cents to make that or whatever. And finally, the extra office junk room down here. I'll just show you the 3D printer. In fact, it's printing something right now. So here it is in all its glory. The little AMS on top. It's the exact same one I have at school. And yes, we are printing dice. My child wants every color of dice. So one to the purple one. I think he's already got 5 other colors up there. And this is number 6. And they're like enormous dice. So it is just so much fun to watch. And this kind of tells you like what it's doing. It has 12 minutes left. I think this only took, I don't know, took like 40 minutes or something to make this little dice, but or die, whatever. Yeah, it's just kind of fascinating to watch because it goes so fast. But this is the exact same one I have in the school library, and that's why we bought it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed our little fall decoration tour. And yeah, I guess I can do a Christmas one, although we don't have as much Christmas stuff, so it won't be as good. So anyway, I will talk to you guys again later. Bye.